Hey friends, welcome back to our video series where we are reviewing furniture you can actually purchase right on Amazon to see if it's worth your time and money. On today's video, we're taking a closer look at the VECELO dining room table. It comes with a table and these 4 stool chairs, and it's a small little kit, but it's very, very budget friendly. We're gonna take a closer look, we're gonna put it together, I'm gonna give you my thoughts and review. All right, now the one negative thing about this is that it comes in a large box from Amazon and you do have some assembly required. You can see all the pieces here. This is literally only 2 pages of instruction. Most people should be able to do this without any problems. I'll let you know if I run into anything complicated. All right, and here is the table all put together. It took me maybe an hour or so of just getting stuff in the right place. I did use my drill instead of the included Allen wrench, which made things go a lot faster. No real issues with the build. Just give yourself a little bit of time. I think most people are gonna be able to put this together no problem. So let's first take a closer look at this table. Now, this looks like marble. It's definitely not. Once you're touching this, you can feel it kind of has this like plastic veneer to it. It's probably made of kind of a cheap particle board, but they did do a good job of covering all of the surfaces so that everything feels like it is a higher quality, or at least looks like higher quality if you're at a distance. Obviously, the main benefit of not using that real material is that this is much lighter weight, much easier to move and to build. Now, the one thing I will say is that because they use this cheap kind of board, you can see from this profile that this thin nature on top of the table feels a little bit, again, degraded. But again, if you're looking at it from this angle, which most people will as they're standing and walking by it, everything feels pretty good. Now, it includes 4 of these stool chairs, and these are fairly low to the ground. They are fairly comfortable to sit in, even for me being 6 feet tall. Honestly, this did worry me at first because it felt like when I was building these that they were going to be way too short. I'm used to high stool style chairs when they're built like this. But once I sat on them, they're actually fairly comfortable. And again, they're at that right height where it felt natural for me to bend my knees. Now again, the nice thing about using all of this lightweight material is this is so easy to move around. Again, if you're just using this as maybe a little guest table, something over in a corner, or an apartment that you're gonna be moving around quite a bit, it's really nice to have the lightweight material. This is kind of an aluminum base and stands, and then again, this deck here is actually really light and easy to move as well. So there you go, friends. That is the VECELO dining room set. It's a decent little piece. Again, for that budget price point, it probably is going to be the value for the money that you pay for it for specific people. Now, if you're looking for a super high quality legacy piece, this is not the one for you. If you're looking for purchasing this, maybe a corner nook in your house, a kid's table, an apartment, a first apartment for people that just need some really entry-level budget furniture, I think it's gonna work well for you. Hopefully this review has helped. If it has and you'd like to purchase this table, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below where you can pick it up for yourself. And then stay tuned because we're actually making a bunch more of these review videos to help you make informed decisions when purchasing furniture and all sorts of other things on Amazon. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.